Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to answer the question whether you can manually set the day of the week on your Casio G-Shock watch. And the answer is no. And that is because when setting the time and date on your Casio G-Shock watch, you want to set correctly the year, the month and the day of the month, and Casio will automatically calculate the day of the week for you. So as you can see here, I have Wednesday and it is going to be the 24th of March and it is 2027. In case I want to change the day of the week, so in case that is not correct, I want to go into the settings and then I want to arrive at the year, select the year, let's say 2030. Then I want to select the month, so let's say I want to make it the 1st January, and then I want to make it the 1st of January 2030. And then I'm going to press the adjust button in order to finalize the process, and now I can see that the 1st of January 2030 is going to be a Tuesday. And Casio G-Shock watches, let's say modern Casio G-Shock watches, have the calendar up to 2099 already memorized, so that is what you need to do. In case you have a different model, so a different G-Shock watch, the GA2100, the GA100, 140 and other models, I have full guides in the description box below, so make sure to check them out. Make sure to check out our YouTube channel because we have a bunch of Casio watch models and G-Shock watch models, and I'm showing you how to set the time and date correctly. In case you enjoyed this video guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, let me know in the comment section below if this helped, if you managed to set the date correctly, and also if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.